Hello dear parents, I am here to orient you all about the kit that you all have received. Let us see the contents of the kit. The textbooks. For the subject of English, we have a set of 5 books. For English literature, we have the Lighthouse. For English grammar, we have new Grammar Magic book. To enhance the vocabulary of our students, we have the graded Spell Well book. For comprehension, we have the Grafalco English Comprehension book. And to enhance the reading skills of our kids, we have the 9 Hats Reader book. For the subject of science, we have the Universal Science textbook. For the subject of Marathi, we have the Marathi textbook by Madhuban Publications. And for the subject of Hindi, we have the Naveen Sankalp Hindi Pathmala. For mathematics, we have the textbook Be a Math Star by Ratnasagar. For social studies, we have the Cambridge Connection Social Studies textbook. Last but not the least, we have the Computer Companion book, which is a textbook cum workbook for the subject of computers. Moving on to the set of notebooks. This set of notebooks has 13 books of single line and 2 books which are sketchbooks single line. The specifications for single line books are, the specifications for sketchbooks are, we also have a pocket dictionary so that the students can enhance their vocabulary, and an atlas which will be used as per the instructions of the teacher. As we all know parents, in ICSE curriculum, project work is very important, and for that we have a colorful project book. This book should be used as per the project guidelines given by the teacher. To showcase their talent, we also have the drawing book which will be used as per the instructions of the teacher. We also have the art and stationery kit. Let us see the contents of this kit. It has a set of 2 scales, the big and a small one, a pair of child-friendly scissors and a bottle of glue, a sketch pen, a box of normal pencils and a box of pencil colors, a box of oil pastels. With all this, we also have the geometry box which will be used for geometry as per the instructions of the teacher. And the most important, the set of worksheets for the month of June and July. These worksheets should be used as per the instructions of the respective subject teachers. We also have a folder which should be used to preserve these worksheets properly. So dear parents, I hope I have cleared all your doubts. Do not worry parents, the teachers of respective subjects will give guidance for the usage of the textbooks. Thank you.